with the notch side facing up and pressing down. There's a latch here. Hold it between your thumb and forefinger and pull it downward. You can take the barrel out. Trigger needs to be held down before inserting the bolt. Before removing the bolt, you need to push down the button. Hold down both feet with your thumb and forefinger to open or retract the brace. You need to push this button before removing the magazine. It will be secure after playing with it for a long time.